Hey, it's Luxury Travel Docs here today, and I wanted to review quickly something that we just received in the mail today. As the world reopens, you know that you may be required in some locations to show proof of your COVID-19 vaccine. And when Iceland recently reopened, we jumped on the opportunity to go there, knowing that we would have to show proof of vaccination. So what we did at that time is we found some nifty little clear holders for our vaccine cards, which we used in Iceland. You're able to see both sides easily without having to remove the card from the holder, and we weren't really keen on getting our cards laminated because there's a possibility that we may need a vaccine in the future. So what we decided to do with our documents, including our COVID vaccine card as well as our passport, is we did a high-tech paper clip together of the two so that we could keep those together when traveling through the airport. Today in the mail, we received a combination vaccine card passport holder, and they're available in multiple colors. We bought the black and the blue so that we could easily tell our holders apart from each other, and here's what they look like. They are obviously a faux leather. There's nothing very luxurious about these, but hopefully they're going to be functional for us. So I'm going to go ahead and put our passport and our COVID vaccine cards in here, and I'll show you what it looks like. So now I've put my passport on the one side and my COVID-19 vaccine card on the other side. I've put this upside down so you can't see my personal information. On this side, what I like about this is you can slide your passport in and out, so you can easily hand that to the immigration officer should you need to, or hand it to them whole. On the other side, what I like about this is the fact that you have space underneath your COVID-19 vaccine card to put additional information that may be necessary. For example, in Iceland, we were required to show a barcode on arrival that we pre-registered with the government of Iceland about having a COVID-19 vaccine and what we plan to present for documentation. On departure from Iceland, we had to show evidence of a negative PCR COVID-19 test, and when you have paperwork like that, you can easily stash it underneath your COVID-19 card to have everything in one convenient place. We really like this little travel gear that we received today, and we know that it's going to really come in useful as we start to travel internationally. Always remember to make meaningful and healthy travel happen for yourself, and be sure to check out our other videos for useful travel gear, and we'll see you next time.